Want to speak fluent English and sound wiser at the same time? In this video, you're going to learn 20 timeless English proverbs, each with its meaning and a real-life way to use it in daily conversations. Let's get started. What you do matters more than what you say. Example: he keeps promising change but never delivers. Actions speak louder than words. It's better to do something late than not at all. Example: I finally started exercising at 40, better late than never. Appearances can be misleading. Example: he looks shy, but he's brilliant. Don't judge a book by its cover. You get better with repetition. Example: I wasn't good at speaking, but I practiced every day. Practice makes perfect. Even bad situations have something good. Example: losing that job helped me start my own business. Every cloud has a silver lining. Those who act early get the advantage. Example: I always reach the interview venue 30 minutes before. The early bird catches the worm. Follow local customs when you're in a different place. Example: I ate with my hands in South India. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Big achievements take time. Example: my English wasn't great in the beginning, but I kept learning. Rome wasn't built in a day. Images can communicate more effectively than words. Example: this graph says it all. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Always tell the truth, even when it's hard. Example: I admitted my mistake at work. Honesty is the best policy. Think carefully before taking action. Example: I almost quit my job without a backup plan. Good thing I looked before I leapt. You can't enjoy two opposite benefits at once. Example: he wants to travel full-time and save money, but you can't have your cake and eat it too. Determination makes anything possible. Example: she learned English without any teacher. Where there's a will, there's a way. Too many people working on something can ruin it. Example: we all tried editing the same video. The result was messy. Too many cooks spoil the broth. People with similar interests stick together. Example: they both love books and tea. Birds of a feather flock together. Don't rely on just one plan or option. Example: I invested in multiple things. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Take advantage of an opportunity while it lasts. Example: the job opening won't stay forever. Strike while the iron is hot. Don't waste time worrying about past mistakes. Example: the file's gone. No point panicking. Don't cry over spilled milk. Fixing a small problem early prevents it from getting worse. Example: I updated the software before it crashed. A stitch in time saves 9. Collaboration leads to better results. Example: we solved it together in half the time. 2 heads are better than 1. Want to speak fluent, wise, and natural English? Use these proverbs in daily life. They make your language richer and your thinking sharper. Keep learning. Keep growing.